In this video, we're going to look at how we can get started on the different sections of this assignment. I'm going to go through one problem from each section or one question from each section. That way you know what we're looking for. So for the first section, it says highlight or darken. So if you don't have a highlighter, you can just darken it with your pencil. So I'll do both. Um, so highlight or darken the given angle, and then tell whether it is acute, obtuse, right, or straight. So we want to go U, E, N, angle U, E, N. So I go U, E's the vertex, and then N. So I want to darken it so I can show that I know which angle we're looking at, like so. So we darkened it. And then we need to tell if it's acute, obtuse, right, or straight. Well, this angle is less than 90, so we will say U, angle UEN is acute. So that's how you'll do this first section. You'll highlight the given angle and then tell it's what category it belongs to. In the second section, now you're given a highlighted angle, and we want to tell what category it's in. So we need to name it properly and tell what category it's in. So for number 8, that's the one I'm going to look at. Number 8, well, there's the 3 points that make the angle. So I'm going to say angle HZF, Z being my vertex. So angle HZF, that's my highlighted angle. And what we'll say is, since it's a line, we're going to say is straight. Let's make that a better sentence. Is a straight angle. Like so. So we'll name it. We'll name the angle that's highlighted, and then we'll tell what kind of angle it is. Remember that vertex always goes in the middle. And then on our next page, now this says name all the supplementary angles. So you'll want to identify all the different pairs of supplementary angles. I believe there's 4, so you should be able to name all 4. So let's name a couple. So the first one I can say is HZJ. And angle, what other pair, what other angle helps create a straight line with HZJ? We have HZJ. And to create the straight line, we have to go JZF. Like so. And then you'd continue on and name other pairs of supplementary angles. And then we'll move on to the next section, which is complementary angles. So we're looking for those right angles or angles that add up to 90. So if I look here, I see my right angle symbol. So what 2 angles create that right angle? Well, we say RWS and SWT. Like so. And here we want to name all our pairs of adjacent angles. So all they do is share a side and a vertex. So we could say SEU and UET. We could say UEN and NET. So I'm going to start with just moving left to right. So I go SEU and angle UEN. Like so. And then for vertical angles, we want to name all the angles that share a vertex but are on opposite sides of the vertex. So I'll give you one, and then you'll have to find the other. We can say angle AED is vertical to, well, what's on the opposite side of this below it, so we'll say CEB. And that should be a good way to help get you started. If you have any help, remember you can always use the drop-in hours, Monday through Thursday, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.